La into nje complicated enzima noma abantu beyibona ukuthi ayifanelanga. Ilapho Yesu athi nina abaFarisi nineminyango nivalela wonke umuntu uthangene embusweni kaNkulunkulu ningeke ningene vele kuwo. Bese nyamba umhlaba wonke niyothitha umuntu omnye ukuthi abe izinkuni zesihoko times 2. That's how religion is so cruel. Amen. Bese abantu asingabe religion. Uma bekhuluma nge-Christianity religion, suke bengakhethi indawo. We are not belonging to that. Amen. Uma besithi i-religion eyazisa i-slavery la e-Africa. Suke bengathethi ngathi uzofumana ukuthi nawo abantu bebe-endorse apartheid, iliza ngani masoqalile. Abe be-endorse apartheid. They are not part of us. Because not everyone who is a Christian is a Christian. And we are supposed to know, akazange ashiya ama Christians.